Assalamualaikum. Good morning, children. Okay, today's subject is Science Year 1. Okay, which is the new topic, which is Science Room Rules. Okay, peraturan bilik sains. What are the rules that you have to obey when you enter the science room? Now, get ready your textbook. Okay, and then look for Unit 2 topic, Science Room Rules. Okay, turn to page 11. Okay, Science Room Rules. What can you see in the picture? What are the pupils doing? Okay, they are in the science room. They are doing science investigation in the science room. One day I will bring you to the science room. Okay. Obeying the science room rules. Patuh kepada peraturan bilik sains. The first rule that you have to know is line up before entering the science room. Line up before entering the science room. Okay, if you see in the picture, the children, they are lined up. Okay, sebelum. Okay, line up berbaris sebelum entering the science room, masuk ke dalam bilik sains. The second rule is clean and tidy up the science room before leaving. Clean and tidy up the science room before leaving. Okay, before you go out, you must clean, okay, bersihkan, and tidy up, kemaskan. Okay. We don't want our science room to be dirty. Tak nak kotorkan. Okay, you must clean it up. Okay, the third rule is ask for teacher's permission before entering the science room. Ask for the teacher's permission before entering the science room. Okay, before you enter, sebelum masuk, okay, you knock on the door. Okay, ask for teacher's permission. Okay, minta izin daripada cikgu. Okay, now we don't want you to go to enter the science room by yourself. Tak nak sendiri. Okay, you must ask permission. Playing. Okay, the fourth rule is playing and running in the science room are prohibited. Playing and running in the science room are prohibited. Okay, playing, bermain, running, berlari, prohibited, tidak dibenarkan. Okay, we don't want you to get injured, okay, cedera, if you play or run in the science room. Okay, next, eating and drinking in the science room are prohibited. Eating and drinking in the science room are prohibited. Okay, don't eat and drink in the science room. Okay, you are not allowed to eat and drink in the science room. Okay, there are a lot of dangerous substances in the science room. Banyak bahan-bahan yang berbahaya. Okay. Okay. Understanding the science room rules. Observe the situation below. What would happen if you obey the science room rules? Apa akan terjadi kalau awak patuh kepada peraturan bilik sains? Okay, the science room would be cleaner and tidier. Okay, bilik sains akan jadi bersih dan kemas. Okay. That is why you have to obey the science room rules. Okay, we don't want our room to be dirty. Okay, next. Asking the teacher's permission before entering the room is a good practice. Okay, kalau awak minta kebenaran, okay, menunjukkan awak telah melakukan benda yang betul. Okay, a good practice. And then, learning can be carried out effectively. Okay, you can do your science investigation effectively. Okay, dengan efektif, dengan baiklah your science investigation. Okay. What would happen if you disobey the science room rules? Apa akan terjadi kalau awak tidak patuh? If you look at the picture, it's very dirty, right? Okay, the science room would be dirty and dangerous. Okay, berbahaya dan kotor. Okay, dirty and dangerous. And then the sink would be blocked if rubbish is thrown into it. Okay, the sink akan block. Okay, if you throw rubbish into the sink. Okay, so don't do this. Okay, you must don't do this. Tak boleh buat. Okay. And then if you disobey, okay, like playing and running in the science room, okay, you playing in the science room could injure us. Okay, it's very dangerous. Could injure us means boleh mencederakan awak if you play and run. And then learning cannot be carried out. Okay, it's very hard if you play. If the science room is dirty, you cannot learn in the science room. Okay, let's recall all the science room rules. Okay, the first one is lining up before entering the science room. Number 2, asking the teacher's permission before entering the science room. Okay, the third one, cleaning and tidying up the science room before leaving. Okay, next, no playing and running in the science room. And then no eating and drinking in the science room. Okay, these are the rules that you have to obey. Okay, peraturan ini mesti awak patuh if you enter the science room. Apabila awak masuk ke dalam bilik sains, okay, you must obey. Mesti patuh. Okay, now take out your activity book and turn to page 11. Okay, obeying the science room rules. Tick the science rooms obeyed by the pupils in the pictures. Okay. Okay, tick. Okay, awak tandakan tick. If you think that they are obeying the science room, you tick. Okay. Okay, next activity book, page 12. Okay, the importance of obeying the rules. What would happen if the science room rules are not obeyed? Apa akan terjadi kalau peraturan bilik sains tidak dipatuhi? Tick the correct answer. Okay, for example, the first picture, okay, the science room is very dirty, and then you can see the children is playing. What would happen? Okay, now let's revise. Okay, this exercise you have to do in exercise book, dalam buku latihan. Okay, write down the answer for number 1, number 2, and number 3. Number 1, state the science room rules that you have learned. Okay, you have to write down all the science room rules. Okay, number 2, which behavior is not suitable in the pictures below? Okay, perlakuan manakah yang tidak sesuai, tidak betul? Okay, is it A, B, or C? And then the third one, you have to answer also. Okay, sorry, I couldn't read it just now. Okay, Thank you very much. Happy learning. Science is fun. Okay. If you have any question, you just PM me. Okay. Goodbye.